Rack City bitch. Rack City bitch. Rack City bitch. Rack City bitch. 10, 20s on your titty bitch. 100 D.
Okay, so hey guys, it's Jessica. Today's my first video I'm making on YouTube, and I just would like you guys to know a little bit about me. Okay, so I'm from North Carolina. I'm in the 9th grade. Y'all know Nick Hoff, the Tumblr guy? Yeah, well, he used to go to my school. That's so cool, right? Okay, well, my role model is Ariana Grande. Like, you can't even, I can't, describe how beautiful and talented she is. She's like my role model, like, ever since, like, she first started, her singing career and acting career. She's just amazing. Okay, well, I have, one brother and one sister. So that makes two. But they don't live with me because they're in El Salvador with my other families. Because I'm from El Salvador, a little small country in South America. And well, I speak Spanish and English, but I mostly speak English. Okay, well, I would like, if I don't make it onto my dancing or acting or modeling career, I'll probably just go to the university in California or in New York to be a pediatrician or anything like that with the medical field. Okay, and so, well, I hope you guys like my videos. I'm gonna start doing them like one video a week or two, but it just depends on how much time I have. Probably do like a video each week. So y'all need to like jump down comments what kinds of videos you want, like challenges, me talking about stuff like fake people, I don't know, any kind of stuff you guys want, just comment. If you guys need to talk to me or get in touch with me, my links are going to be down there. My Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter are going to be down there in the description, so you guys can friend me or follow me or anything like that. Alright guys, well, hope you guys enjoy my video, and subscribe to me, and share me, alright guys? I love you, bye.